Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul, so if you would like to see all the new goodies I picked up, please keep watching. I don't know who this is right now because I don't have Sephora hauls going up as much as I feel like I have recently. I am an Ulta girl 100%, but sometimes I just can't help myself. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about, I've wanted to try one of these for a really long time. It's kind of like the makeup eraser cloth, if you're familiar with that. This is from the brand PMD. I have their like face cleanser thing, like you turn it on, it kind of reminds me of like a smaller version of my Foreo I used to use all the time. So I have that I use now, so I wanted to try something else from them. So this is the silverpure silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth, antibacterial, ultra soft, and reusable. So I just wanted to try something else. I'm pretty partial to my Clinique Take Off the Day cleansing balm, but yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to try something else. So this is what I picked up. So this says go back to your pure self with the silver pure. Remove makeup with this antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. Washcloth before use. Dampen cloth with warm water and gently wipe off makeup. Rinse cloth, machine wash as needed. I don't know, like I feel like the makeup eraser brand thing has been around for a while, and then I think, pretty sure her name is Chloe Morello. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But I think she came out with the face halo that is like supposed to be basically like the same thing, but hers looks like a black and white disc. So yeah, I just wanted to try something different. So let me know if you guys have tried any of these like makeup remover cloths and like what your favorites are. I can't do, like personally, I can't use makeup wipes to take off my makeup. It literally like burns off the first layer of my skin and then it will legit make my eyes water until I wake up the next day. So I don't ever use makeup wipes for my makeup to take it off. But yeah, anyways, then I wanted to get some under eye patches. So these are from the brand Wander Beauty, and these are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. This is what they look like. I just feel like the older I get, the drier my skin gets. I don't know if that's like an age thing, I just feel like it. It's also the summertime, it's 100 degrees outside, so I'm sure it has a little bit to do with that as well. But like I just really want to take care of my under eyes. I don't know why, but my under eyes just make me so paranoid like the older I get. I don't know, it's just, I don't know, I'm like that. But so I want to take, I just want to, if I can take extra steps and prevent like the age, my age like affecting my under eyes, I'm gonna do what I can. But anyways, this says minimal effort, maximum results. It has aloe leaf juice, calendula extract, camu extract, hyaluronic acid. It says individually packed gold foil eye mask to help brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere better to skin, and the third is cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Aloe leaf juice and the calendula extract offers a cooling effect while soothing the eye area. It says there's also vitamin C for brightening benefits and hyaluronic acid to retain moisture for younger looking skin. Wow, okay. So it says apply onto clean, dry under eyes with foil side facing up, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into skin. It doesn't say like how often to use it. So it says there's only 6 pairs in here, so I don't know if this is like an everyday thing. I'm sure something like this, just like with sheet masks, you probably have to use every single day to see like a difference, you know what I mean? This is what it looks like. So I don't know, maybe I'll start off and this will be part of my like Sunday self-care routine, and then if I see a difference or really start to like them, maybe I'll invest and get more. This wouldn't be a Brittany haul without a lip mask. So I got this Sephora lip mask. I didn't even know this existed. I love Sephora brand, literally everything. But this is the moisturizing and protecting lip sleeping mask. I got the scent strawberry, a velvet-like texture for deeply hydrated lips upon waking. So I'm super excited for this. I think there was another scent, but I'm not sure. This was only $5, so I figured I would give it a try. Then I got one of these. I never tried this before. So this is from Touch in Seoul, and this is the Seoul Velvet Lipstick. I really like the packaging. I think it's pretty. And mine is in the shade Seoul Rose. Seoul. S-E-O-U-L. I know I'm totally saying that right because I've heard that word before. It says romantic rose pink, resembling the night view of Seoul. Oh my gosh, you guys. I swear, I'm surprised some of you guys don't just go in on me in the comments when I try to read and pronounce things because it's so bad. Anyways, here's the packaging. Love this color. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. I thought this was like a really unique shade because I usually buy a lot of like light pinks, baby pinks, nudes. That's like where I stay. But I thought this was like kind of like a unique looking pink. It's pretty much the same color as the packaging. Just wanted something a little bit different. I like that. That looks really pretty. I think it'd be really pretty with like a brown lip liner. Like just something different from, you know, my usual. Then I got this. I thought this was interesting. So this is from the brand Grande, and this is the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. And it looks like a lip gloss. So let's go ahead and swatch this. This is in the shade French Pearl. Like, I didn't even know there was such thing as like a plumping highlighter, but I'm all for that. Okay, so it has this kind of weird looking doe foot. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty. I mean, I like liquid highlighters. I guess if I had to pick, it would have to be really pretty. Like, this is really pretty, actually. I think I would pick a liquid highlighter over a powder highlighter. I guess we can add a little bit, see what happens. I don't know. I just think that they look more like, sorry, my line just changed, like dewy luminous, you know? I didn't put too much on, so I'll let you guys know if I feel anything. I don't know if I'm supposed to feel anything, but we'll see. Next, if you guys saw my last Sephora haul, I showed you guys one of these Marc Jacobs like glitter eye things. And I think I even mentioned like right when I get done with this video, I'm gonna go buy the other ones. And I did, but they were on sale. So I was like, it's a sign, it's fate. Like I have to buy them. So I think these were less than half the price, like less than half the full price. The other one I got was so pretty. So I wanted to get the other two shades. There was only 3 shades left. And I've heard rumors that Marc Jacobs Beauty is like no longer. I don't know if that's true or what, but man, it's like when I finally start getting into Marc Jacobs, I'm like the last one, then it's like gone, you know? But this is the Marc Jacobs Sequins Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. I got the shade Shimmy Dip. So I would say, yeah, Shimmy Dip. I thought I said it wrong, but I didn't. Okay, so this one is just the gold one. Love the packaging. These, you guys, oh my gosh, these hands down probably have to be the best, prettiest liquid eyeshadows I've ever seen in my life. So I'm sad that I just discovered them and then Marc Jacobs is probably going to be no longer, you know? Hopefully you can see that, but it's gold and it looks like it's like a light gold and then it has like silver glitter in it. It's really pretty. That'd be, I mean, it's kind of similar to what I'm wearing now, but this would be a pretty like daytime look. If you wanted to deepen it up for the night, just throw like a darker brown in the crease or something. Then I got the shade Copperazzi. This one I saw and I was like, I need that. Look at that. Most perfect rust shade ever. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so this one is copper. And this one has like a little bit of pink fuchsia, kind of like the color of my shirt, glitter in it. So it's right here in the middle, right next to the red lipstick. So pretty. These are so pretty. I can't. Let me see. Sorry, I can never tell if you guys can see this swatch until I go back to edit the video. So I just kind of like move it around so I can look at my viewfinder and then I know if you guys can see it or not. But it is so pretty. Next, I have something from Dominque Cosmetics. I really like her brand. So far, everything I've ever tried, purchased, or whatever, I really like. So I wanted to try something different. This is the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. This is her packaging. This is in the shade Crush. Ooh, look at this. It kind of looks like one of those Maybelline brow pencils, like the slanted ones. Or the ones that have like the little triangle. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. Ooh, I love the shade. It's like a dark mauve-y shade. Love the shade. I don't know how I feel about the triangle shape applicator. Maybe after I use it a few times it like won't keep its shape, but I really do like the shade of this. Next, I threw in a promo code and that got me the Tatcha the Dewy Serum Plumping and Renewing Serum. Just came in like this, I want to say, okay, so it's a 7-day trial. So I might actually try these. Usually I put these little samples just in like a little sample bag and then I give them away, but I kind of want to try this. And then I bought all this new stuff from Anastasia. I haven't bought anything from Anastasia in a really long time. So the first thing I picked up was the Anastasia the Dewy Set Setting Spray. I need a new one. Like my favorite dewy setting spray is from Pixie Beauty and it's the Glow Mist, but I kind of want to try like a high-end one. So I grabbed this. This says nothing. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, I know that's not what that looks like, but the bottle is really pretty. Look at that. It's giving me MAC Fix Plus vibes for sure. Then I got a loose highlighter, which is something that I don't really buy a lot. Like I don't really buy a lot from Anastasia, but I definitely don't really buy loose highlighters. But I tried these two in some videos. This is the Kylie Jenner loose highlighter in the shade Santorini Love, and then this Airspun one. This one is so good too. I got this at Walmart and this one's in the shade Snow Much Ice. These two things made me want to try loose highlighters. So I got this one. This one's in the shade Vegas. Perfect. I love Vegas. I'm always there. Ooh, look at the packaging. It matches the setting spray, and then this is what it looks like. It looks like a nice like goldy champagne shade. You can see. It looks like a nice like in between of Santorini from Kylie Cosmetics and the Airspun one that I have. It looks like a nice like in between shade of those. Then I got the Anastasia waterproof cream color. This is in the shade Jet. Like I told you guys before, like all my black liners are totally dried out. I really like the Inglot one, and then I like the Pretty Vulgar one that kind of looks like a calligraphy ink holder thing, but they're dried out. So this just looks like the dip brow container actually. And then yeah, it's just in the shade Black. Plus fall's about to come soon and I want to start doing like black smoky eyes again, so I need like a base. Then I got this. This is the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel and mine's in the shade Granite. That's what it looks like. Granite. I think I got the wrong shade. Granite sounds like gray, right? I think I might have got the wrong shade. I think I got the wrong shade. This is like a dark grayish brown. I don't know. I think I got the wrong shade. I might have to take it back or return it. Then I've been wanting to try this for a while, probably since it launched. I just never got around to it. But this is the Anastasia Powder Bronzer, and it was kind of hard to figure out what shade to get online. I'm not gonna lie. I looked at like 3 different websites. I ended up with the shade Rosewood, so I hope that's good. So it just looks like her blush palettes, if you're familiar with those. And I think this will be okay. This is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a warm reddish bronzer. That's what it looks like to me anyways. I think it'll be nice with my tan. Then, I think it was this time last year, possibly, all of the Anastasia Norvina palettes went on sale, and I grabbed, I think the purple one and like the teal looking one, I can't remember. The one I really wanted was like already sold out, so I didn't get it. So I went ahead and got it because it went on sale again. So now I have like all 3 of them. I think there might be a 4th one now, but I have all three of them now. So this is the Norvina Pro Pigment Volume 3 palette. This is the one that I wanted from the jump, so I'm like super excited to have it now. These palettes are so cute and they look like super sturdy. I don't know, I just really like them. They are on the larger side, but I still like them. Then look at this. The mirror. It's huge. Perfect to like prop up and do your makeup, but look at this. I wish I would have bought this at the beginning of summer because look at all those neon shades. Oh my gosh. I'm like totally into like the 90s now, which in early 2000s, which I guess like Y2K would kind of be like neon vibes, right? I feel like makeup from late 90s was more like brown lipstick and like mascara type of thing. And I feel like early 2000s was like silver eyeshadow, but I'm gonna make it work. There's like a bunch of like outfits that I want to put together, so I'm gonna do some like really pretty kind of like neon eye looks with this palette. So that's everything from my Sephora haul. As always, let me know what you guys are loving at the moment in the comments below so I can check that out. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.